Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll explore the quickest way to forward multiple audio files from your Telegram chats on a PC. Whether you're managing a music library, sharing voice notes, or organizing recordings, this method will save you time. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, visit the official website and install the desktop version. Once launched, log into your account using your phone number and the verification code sent to your mobile device. Next, navigate to the chat containing the audio files you want to forward. This could be a personal conversation, a group chat, or even a saved messages thread. Click on the chat's name at the top of the screen to open the contact or group information panel. In this panel, you'll see several tabs: Media, Links, Files, and more. Select audio files to view all shared audio in this chat. Here you'll find voice notes, music tracks, or any other audio files exchanged in the conversation. Now, locate the files you want to forward. Right-click on one of the audio entries to reveal a drop-down menu. Choose Select from the options. This activates multi-selection mode, allowing you to pick multiple files at once. Click on additional audio entries to add them to your selection. If you want to forward everything, press Ctrl+A to select all files instantly. Once your desired files are highlighted, look for the forward icon, a paper airplane symbol, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Click it to open the forwarding menu. A list of your recent chats and contacts will appear. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the recipient. This could be another individual, a group, or even a channel. After selecting the destination, confirm your choice by clicking Send. Telegram will bundle the files and forward them as a single batch. Depending on the number of audios and their sizes, this might take a few seconds. Once completed, the recipient will receive all the files in one go, neatly organized in the chat. This feature is perfect for sharing playlists, forwarding important voice memos, or archiving audio content across chats. No more tedious one-by-one forwarding. Telegram's updated interface streamlines the process, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you've mastered bulk audio forwarding on Telegram for PC. For more tech tips and tutorials, subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.